Number 1. 1995 Ford F150, price $7,995, equipped with a reliable 4.9L gasoline engine and an automatic transmission. The engine has an original 61,000 miles and was taken from another truck, along with the interior, both of which are reported to be in excellent overall condition. The truck features a clean white exterior paired with a blue interior. Originally a South Carolina truck, it is described as rust-free, which adds to its value and long-term durability. The vehicle runs and drives great, with smooth performance from the engine and transmission. Overall, the drivetrain is in very good condition and ready for regular use. Cosmetically, the truck shows a few minor dents and scratches typical for its age, but nothing that affects its functionality. Number 2. 1987 Toyota T100, price $9,000, dependable and well-kept pickup truck that has accumulated 212,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission paired with a gasoline engine. It features a classic red exterior with original factory paint, complemented by a gray interior that reflects its honest, well-preserved condition. This truck is a 4x2 long bed model, making it practical for hauling, work, or daily use. The chassis is clean and solid, showing that it has been properly cared for over the years. It still retains its original wheels, adding to its authenticity. The truck runs and drives very well, delivering the reliability Toyota pickups are known for. Overall, this Toyota has been a faithful vehicle and remains in good mechanical condition for its age. It also comes with a clean title, making it an excellent option for anyone looking for a classic, trustworthy pickup truck. Number 3. 1989 Ford F250, price $5,500. This truck has 250,000 miles and is powered by a 460ci big block Ford with EFI, paired with a ZF5 5-speed manual transmission. It features a Borg-Warner 1356 4x4 transfer case with low range and manual locking hubs, along with a Sterling 10.25 rear axle and Dana 44 HD TTB front axle. Finished in white with a red interior, the truck comes equipped with power steering, power brakes, power windows, and power door locks. Upgrades include keyless entry with remote start, push-to-start switch, tilt steering, a sound-deadened interior, LED dash lighting, and a Kenwood Bluetooth radio with Pioneer speakers. Additional features include a 3G alternator with heavy-duty wiring, upgraded starter components, a heavy-duty tow hitch, and a plastic bedliner. Number 4. 1993 Mazda B2600, price $4,000, with approximately 200,000 miles. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck features a turquoise exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a classic and eye-catching look. The vehicle has been very well maintained, which is evident in how it runs and drives. It recently received a complete tune-up, along with a new distributor, new spark plug wires and plugs, a new clutch, and a new clutch master cylinder. The braking system has been refreshed with new brakes, and it sits on brand new tires. The truck also features a lowered stance and aftermarket wheels, enhancing both its appearance and road presence. Overall, this Mazda B2600 runs and drives great, shifts smoothly, and turns heads wherever it goes. The patina is just right, adding character while still reflecting the care it has received over the years. Number 5. 1976 Ford F250, price $9,000, equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission that includes a granny gear, making it ideal for towing, hauling, and off-road use. The truck has undergone extensive replacement and refurbishment, with nearly all components having been replaced except for the engine and carburetor. Power comes from a 390 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 4-barrel carburetor, which runs strong, starts easily, and delivers dependable performance. The drivetrain feels solid, and the transmission shifts smoothly through all gears. Overall, this F250 represents a well-maintained and capable vintage truck that combines classic styling with reliable mechanical condition. Number 6. 1989 Dodge D150, price $4,800. This truck is equipped with a 5.2L V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission and 2-wheel drive. The truck has only 63,000 original miles, making it a low-mileage example for its year. It features a red exterior paired with a matching red interior and runs on gasoline. The truck runs and drives, but it does require some brake work and repair to the window switch. Overall, the body is described as very straight and approximately 99% rust-free, which is a strong highlight for a vehicle of this age. Aside from a Weston rear bumper, the truck remains mostly stock. With its low mileage, solid condition, and classic Dodge styling, this D150 is considered a great project truck and a good foundation for restoration or light upgrades.
Number 7.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,900, powered by a 4.3L V6 engine and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck has 181,000 miles on the odometer and features a red exterior paired with a gray interior.
Since being revived in 2022, the vehicle has received extensive maintenance and upgrades.
The cooling system has been refreshed with a new radiator, hoses, and belt, while the ignition system includes new spark plugs, wires, cap, and rotor.
Emissions components such as the EGR and IAC have also been replaced.
Suspension work includes new shocks, ball joints, control arms, and sway bar links, along with steering upgrades consisting of new tie rod ends and a pitman arm.
The braking system has been serviced, and additional improvements include a new alternator and battery, a functioning air conditioning system, and new tires. Number 8.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, shows approximately 200,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It has a green exterior with a tan interior, giving it a classic look. The truck has been upgraded with an LS engine swap. The transmission has roughly 2,000 miles since installation, while the engine itself has around 190,000 miles. It is equipped with headers and an aftermarket exhaust that enhances performance and sound. The clear coat is peeling in some areas, and the truck still needs to be properly tuned. It will require some TLC to finish dialing it in, making it a solid project or driver for someone willing to put in a little work.
Number 9.
1968 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, with approximately 75,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior matched with a blue interior and runs on gasoline. The truck is equipped with power steering, a sliding rear window, and a working radio, making it both comfortable and practical. It sits 2 inches lower than stock and rides on new wheels and tires, giving it a clean, lowered stance. Under the hood, the engine and transmission were sourced from a 1967 Camaro and were both freshly rebuilt within the last 5,000 miles. The 327 V8 is bored .30 over and built with 462 camel hump heads, a crane camshaft, TRW flat-top forged pistons, crane roller rockers, a double roller timing set, an HEI distributor, stainless headers, and a Holley 750 brawler carburetor.
Number 10.
1985 Chevrolet Silverado, price $5,000. It has 100,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior paired with a matching red interior and runs on gasoline. Power comes from a 350 cubic inch V8 engine, with a replacement crate motor installed at approximately 80,000 miles. The truck is well optioned with power windows and power door locks.
The air conditioning system is complete but currently not operational. It has good glass all around, a straight body, and is completely rust-free.
The suspension has been lowered approximately 5.5 inches in the front and 5 inches in the rear, giving it a clean stance. The truck also comes with good tires and brakes, dual left and right fuel tanks, and a factory dash-mounted transfer switch.